Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So, we're going to start with grade 8 maths. So, you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 8 maths and we're going to start with chapter units of measurement. We are already working on the chapter. We're going to start with the lesson convert rates and measurements metric units. The lesson name is convert rates and measurements. Metric units. Please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important points and definitions as well. Got it? Okay, let's start with the examples. So, what are the metric units? Basically, the metric units are the one that uses the meter, liter, or gram. Got it? Basically, you can check the length, capacity, and weight. Got it? Of anything. So let's start with the examples. You can check weight, height, length, and weight, length, and okay, you have to convert length, weight, and capacity using metric units. Got it? Start with the you have to convert 900 centigrams to gram. You have to convert 900 centigrams to gram. Got it? So we know that in 1 gram we have 100 grams. 100 centigrams equals 1 gram. Got it? So you have just for make a proportion between them. You have 100 centigrams divided by 1 gram. Then you are given 900 centigrams and you have to check how many grams in 9 in 900 centigrams. So just use the equivalent ratios. We are going to use the thing we have learned with equivalent ratios. So I'll just make them equivalent. Here you have 100 and here you have 9. So 100 times 9 is 900. Got it? That means you have to multiply. Here you have 1 times 9, so it would be 9. Got it? Just use just by using equivalent ratios method. Got it? So it would be then, so that means 900 centigrams equal 9 grams. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test so that we can do practice questions as many as we can. Let's start with the practice question. Okay, 280 milliliter equal how many centiliters? Okay, 280 milliliters equal how many centiliters? So you have to convert from milliliters to centiliters. So in 1 milliliter, you have So you have to convert from 200 milliliters to centiliters. So you have to use the basic units. So in 1 milliliter you have 1 milliliter equals in 1 milliliters you have 0.1 centiliters. Got it? So what you have to do, just form a proportion, it would be 280 milliliters divided by the missing one, and you have 1 milliliter divided by the zero point 0.1. So you have to make 280 milliliters here, so just multiply 1 times 280. So it would be then 1 times 280 divided by 0.1 times 280. It would be then 1 times 280 and 0.1 times 280. So it equals 280 divided by 28. That means in 280 milliliters you have 28 centiliters. Got it? So the correct option is 28. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. It would be 28 centiliters. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 802 liters equal how many milliliters? So 802 liters equal how many milliliters? So you have to convert from liters to milliliters. Got it? So you have to learn the basic conversions. So in 1 liter you have 1000 milliliters. Got it? So just form the proportion. It would be 802 liter divided by missing the milliliters, and you have 1 liter equal 1000 milliliters. Got it? So here you have 802, so just you have to make a equivalent ratio, so multiply it with 802. So you have to multiply the denominator 802 also. It would be 802 times 802, and 802 times 1000 is 802,000. Got it? So in 802 liters you have 802,000 milliliters. Got it? So the correct option is 802,000 is the first option. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is 846 grams to, yes, it's a conversion from grams to milligrams. Got it? So you have to convert 846 grams equals 846 grams equals how many milligrams? Got it? So we know that in 1 gram we have, in 1 gram we have 1000 milligrams. In 1 gram we have 1000 milligrams. So that means 846 grams equals, just form a proportion, 846 divided by the missing milligrams equals 1 gram divided by 1000 milligrams. Got it? So you have to make 846 here, so just multiply numerator and denominator with 846. Got it? It would make then 846 grams divided by 846,000 milligrams. Got it? So the correct option is 846,000 milligrams. Got it? If you have any problem, you can write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Okay, 515 liters equal how many milliliters? In 1 liter, you have 1000 milliliters. Got it? That means in 1 liter, you have 515,000 milliliters. Got it? So 40 milligrams equals 4 centigrams. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. The next lesson is mixed customary units. Yes, very good. The next lesson is mixed customary units. Okay, let's start with the examples. Okay, the next one is 22 quarts equals how many gallons and how many quarts? Okay, 22 quarts equal how many quarts and how many gallons? Gallons. So you have to convert 22 grams to 22 quarts to gallons and uh, from quarts to okay. We know that in 1 quart we have okay we have in we have to because in 1 quart you have 4 gallons. Got it? In 1 quart you have 4 gallons. Got it? So when you divide 22 by 4, you have when you do when you divide 22, you have 4 times 5 is 20, and here you have 2. That means you have 5 gallons and 2 quarts. Got it? Because 4 times 5 makes 20, so that means you can make 5 gallons and 2 quarts. Got it? Okay, the next one is 1 yard and 1 feet. You have to convert 1 yard, 1 feet. You have to convert it into feet. Got it? So the basic, we have to learn actually the basic conversion units. Got it? So we know that in 1 feet you have how many, in 1 yards you have how many feet? 1 yard equal 3 feet. Got it? So here you have 1 yard equals 3 feet. So 3 feet plus 1. So that means they are equal 4 feet. Got it? 1 yard, 1 feet equal 4 feet. Got it? If you have any question, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions. Got it? Okay, the next one is 3 tablespoons And 2 teaspoons equals how many teaspoons? We know that in 1 tablespoon we have 3 teaspoons. Got it? So you have 3 tablespoons. That means 3 times 3. That means 3 times 3 you have 9 teaspoons, and add the 2. So 9 plus 2 is 11 teaspoons. That means in total you have 11 teaspoons. Got it? First convert the 3 tablespoons to the teaspoons and then add it to the 2 teaspoons. Got it? So 3 times 3 makes 9. So 3 tablespoon makes 9 teaspoons, and then 9 plus 2 makes 11 teaspoons. Got it? The next one is, let's start with the test questions. Okay, let's start with a test. So 11 teaspoons equals how many tablespoons and how many teaspoons? Let me write it down on board. 11 teaspoons equal 11 teaspoon equal how many tablespoon and how many teaspoons? Got it? So I've just written on the board, in 1 teaspoon you have, in 1 teaspoons you have, in 1 in 1 tablespoon you have 3 teaspoons. Got it? So divide the 11 by 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Divide 11 by 3, it would be then 3 times 3 is 9. 11 subtract 9 is 11 subtract 9 is 2. That means you have 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. These are now tablespoons and these are the teaspoons. Got it? So it would be 3 tablespoons and 2 teaspoons. So the correct option is, yes, it is 3. Okay, so the correct option is the first one, 3 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you have 22,719 feet. You have to convert it to the, you have to convert it to the milligrams and feet, miles and feet actually. Okay, 22,719, 22,719 miles, they are in feet, equals how many miles and how many feet. So we know that in 1 mile we have 520, 5,280 feet. Got it? So just divide 22,719 by 5,280. So it would be then, let me just check which number it will divide. 22,719 divided by 5280. It will divide on 4. And 5280 times 4 is 21,120. And when you subtract them, it would be 1599. So that means you have 4 miles and 1,599 feet. Got it? It would be 4 miles and 1599 feet. Just select the correct option. It would be the first option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 3. Okay, the next one is 3 pounds in 2 ounces. LB is for pounds. 3 pounds, 3 pounds 2 ounces. You have to convert it to 2 ounces. Got it? We know that in 1 pound we have 16 ounces. Got it? So 3 pounds mean you have to do 3 times 16. It would be 48 and plus 2. So 48 plus 2 is 50. So in total they are 50 ounces. Got it? Okay, so you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next, if you need more help with the topic, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is convert between customary and metric units. Okay, let me write down the lesson name. Convert between customary and metric units. Okay, let's start with the example. 10 feet equal how many meters? 10 feet is how many meters? You have to convert from feet to meter. Got it? We know that 1 feet equals 0.305 meter. So you have to convert 10 feet. So you need to do 10 times 0.305. Got it? It would be then 30.5. No, sorry. Not 30. It would be then 3.05. Got it? When you multiply it to 10, it would be then 3.05. Got it? Okay, the other example is 6 miles equal how many kilometers? 6 mile equals how many kilometers? So we know that 1 mile equal 1.6 kilometers. Got it? So 6 miles means just multiply point times 1.6. It would be 9.6. So in 6 miles we have 9.6 kilometers. Got it? Okay, so let's start with the test. Okay, the first question is how many kilograms are there in 8 pounds? So you're given with a hint. In 1 pound you have 0.454 kg. So you have to look 8 pounds. So just multiply 0.454 times 8. Got it? Okay, you have to see how many kilograms do we have in 8 pounds. Got it? And we know that 1 pound equal 0.454 kg. So you have to calculate 8 pounds. So just do 8 times 0.454. Got it? So it would be 3.6. So just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is how many liters are there in 2 gallons? You are given with the hints, just use the hints. So in 1 gallon you have 3.8 liters. So when you have 2 gallons you need to do 2 times 3.8. So 2 times 3.8 is, it would be 7.6. Got it? 2 gallons equal 7.6 liters. Okay, teaspoons, 2 teaspoons is how many milliliters? So we know that in 1 teaspoon you have 4.9 milliliters. So for 2 teaspoon you have to do, for 2 teaspoons you have to do 2 times 4.9. Got it? So 2 times 4.9 is 9.8. Okay. The next one is how many teaspoons are there in 6 milliliter? Very good. So you need to calculate the teaspoons in 6 milliliters. So we know that in 1 milliliter we have zero point 0.2 teaspoons. Got it? So in 6 milliliter you have to do 6 times zero point 0.2. So it would be, yes, it is 1.2. Very good. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many feet are there in 3 meters? 1 meter equals 3.3 feet. So how many feet are there in 3 meter? It would be then 3 times 3.33. So the answer is 9.9. Yes, very good. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, how many yards are there in 5 centimeters? It would be 1 centimeter equals 0.011. So you have to round the answer. So what would be the correct option? It would be 0.05, and I think when you round it off, it would be then a 1. Oh, it would be 0. Yes, it is rounded off to 0 0.1. Yes, not 1. Got it. It would be 0.055, and when you round off, it would be 0 0.1. Got it. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, 9 kilograms is the same as how many miles? So in 1 kilogram, we have 1.6 miles. So 9 times 0 0.6 is, it would be 9, 0 0.6 times 9 is 5.6. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. Sorry, it is 5.4. Okay, let me just move on to the next topic. Okay, the next topic is precision. Let's start with the next topic, that is precision. Let me write down the lesson name. Okay, let's start with the examples. Which measurement is more precise? 15.8 years is measured to the tenth of a year, and 78 years is measured to the year. So which would be the more precise? Basically, the smaller units are the precise one. Got it? Because the bigger ones are not precise. So the tenth of the year is a smaller unit. So it would be precise. The 15.8 years is precise. Got it? Basically, the measure precision means how exact the amount is, the measurement actually is. Got it? Okay, which measurement is more precise? So the smaller values are more precise. Got it? Okay, let's start with the examples because say that the test you are not given with the options, they can confuse. Okay, which measurement is more precise? 50.4 or 50.42? Which one is more precise? 50.42 is more precise. Got it? Because the one with the two decimal places is measured to the hundredths of a meter. Got it? So the smaller one are the precise. So it would be 50.42 is the precise one. Got it? Okay, the next one is which measurement is more precise? It would be 7.62 because it is measured to the hundredths of a number. So hundredths is the smaller unit than the bigger one. So it would be 7.62 meters. Got it? Okay, the next one is which measurement is more precise, 35 or 35.9 ounces? So which one is more precise? Yes, very good, 35 because it is measured to the tenth of the number. So it is more precise. Okay, which measurement is more precise, 82 or 82.75? It would be very good. It would be 82.75 because it is measured to the hundredths of a number. So it is smaller than the 82. So it is more precise. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which measurement is more precise, 96 or 93, 6.3 pence? Yes, it is 96.3 pence. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, which measurement is more precise? It would be 77.02 inches. Very good. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Which measurement is more precise? It would be 80.45 feet. Got it? Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Yes, it is 28.38 pounds. Okay, the next one is which measurement is more precise? It would be it would be 26.63 kilograms. Just select the correct option and then click on the OK button. Okay, then the last one is which measurement is more precise? 15.8 years or 15? Yes, it is 15.8 years. Got it. Okay, so we have done with the test. So we have covered four of the topics today from the chapter units of measurement. They are convert rates and measurements metric units, makes customary units, convert between customary and metric units, and then precision. If you have any problem, any question, just write the question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any question? Just write the question if you have any related to the topics we covered today. Okay, so that's all for today. Please make sure before the next session you have to complete all the test questions for the topics we did today. Got it? So that's all for today. Thank you for your participation. See you in the next session. Please click like the video if you find this session helpful for you. Got it? That's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.